Hey there, word warriors! Welcome to Word Wonders, where we power up your vocabulary with epic words. Today's word is pulverize, a term that's all about total destruction. Ready to crush it? Let's go! To pulverize means to crush, grind, or smash something into tiny pieces or powder. It's like turning a rock into dust or grinding coffee beans into fine grounds. Total destruction. Whether it's spices, rocks, or even your enemies in a video game, pulverize means to obliterate something completely. Pulverizing isn't just for superheroes. It happens in real life too. Think of wrecking balls demolishing buildings, blenders turning fruits into smoothies, or even your foot stomping on a bug. It's all about reducing something to its tiniest form. From the kitchen to the battlefield, pulverize is a word that packs a punch. Pulverizing isn't just about destruction. It can be useful too. Recycling plants pulverize materials to reuse them. Chefs pulverize spices to unlock their flavor. And sometimes, you just need to pulverize your stress by smashing a piñata or hitting a punching bag. And that's the power of pulverize, a word that's all about crushing it, literally and figuratively. Thanks for joining me on this epic word adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's keep smashing through the wonders of language together. Until next time, stay strong and keep pulverizing.